Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Pura 7E Ultra, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, swipe down from the top right side of your screen like so, and then once you see the toggles, you can swipe down on here as well. This will reveal more of them, and somewhere here you'll find hotspot. So for me it is right over here. Once you see your toggle, you can hold it the first time around and this will quickly take you to the settings. Now the reason you want to navigate in here is because in the settings you'll find password, and you'll also see that it is randomly generated. I do recommend removing it and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length, which can be letters, numbers, both, doesn't really matter. Click on OK. It does give me a info that my password is simple. So is my memory, so that's how I'm going to keep it. Oh, I didn't change it. Let's try that again. Use anyway. There we go. So we're going to select use anyway, and as you can see, this changes the password. So we can close this. Now there's a couple additional options under more. As you can see, we have data limit, AP bands, mobile hotspot turn off timer, and Bluetooth tethering. I do recommend keeping all of this as it is by default if you don't know what these options do. Now, let's find the toggle once more. And now you can simply tap on it to enable your hotspot whenever you want to use it. Now with the default setting, hotspot will turn off after 5 minutes of an activity. So once you're done using it for 5 minutes, you're not doing anything with the hotspot, it does automatically turn it off, which is a good thing to have enabled as hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery. And if you don't have if you don't have like options to charge your device or anything like that, or you forget about it, it will discharge it pretty quickly, so it's a good option to have enabled. Anyway, you can also turn it off yourself once you're done with it by simply tapping on a toggle, which obviously will disengage that timer. Now, one more thing that I'm going to check while I'm at it. Okay, so both of them are working. Some devices can only use for instance, Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot, as it's using the same antennas to do either one of those things, so it can only do one. But here we have more than that, so you can do both Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time. Now, anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.